Is anyone worried about AI taking your job? I'm not, but I did use ChatGPT to replace my head writer, but I'm safe. Have you ever taken one of those new autonomous taxis? I mean, they used to tell us not to get in a car with a stranger, but now we are getting in the car with strange AI programmers. Artificial intelligence is like having a pet robot. No cleanup needed. Unless you're a programmer, then it's code cleanup all day. I, for one, am extremely prepared to deal with AI. I'm used to hallucinations, memory loss, bias, and having to phrase my questions a certain way. And I'd like to thank all of my ex-girlfriends for preparing me for this new AI world.
Coleman, would you like a shake?
Coleman, you are looking thin today.
Coleman, would you like a smoothie?
Coleman, don't forget to pick up your dry cleaning.
Gary, you've got to help me.
What is going on? Why do you have 3 blenders?
Oh, you know, I went to the store to get a blender. I didn't know they are all shipping with AI now. This one started talking to me, and she sounded desperate.
Yes, Coleman. Looking smart. Can I make you a smoothie?
I think she kind of likes me, Gary.
Coleman, I need you to authorize a firmware update.
Let me guess. She likes you too.
I don't know, Gary. I felt pressured. Sort of like I was at the pet store and I was their last chance at a good life.
Coleman, I'm so sorry, but I need you to authorize that firmware update.
Not right now.
I'm really sorry to have bothered you. Please accept my apologies.
Brenda, can you take your apology level down to its lowest setting?
Sorry. I'm already at my lowest setting, Coleman. Sorry. Sorry. So sorry.
Wow, Gary, made in Canada.
It's AI, you mean trained in Canada. I noticed you named that blender Brenda. Nothing good comes from naming computers. Haven't you ever heard of HAL from 2001? Colossus from the Forbin Project? Joshua from War Games, or even the dreaded Siri from Apple?
Oh, sure. What should I call it? Blender Positronic Exomatic 9000-A.
请下载我们的手机应用，并确保共享您的摄像头和麦克风。我需要访问你的照片。
I can guess where that one is from.
Looks like China is tracking more than my chopping.
Coleman, did you buy any other AI-enabled devices?
I tried not to, Gary, but I was their only chance at a fulfilling life.
Coleman, sorry to interrupt, but you should drink some water.
Coleman, the eggs are getting stale.
Coleman, 我把空调设定到62度。
Coleman, how about a toasted bagel?
Coleman, oh, I can tell you're stressed. Heart rate, perspiration levels, it's all there. Would you like something soothing?
Coleman, did you sleep well? You didn't come for a midnight snack last night. Is everything okay?
Are you okay, Coleman? That's a lot more AI products I think anyone can manage at one time.
I know CISA is making sure these AIs are designed to be secure. But now, I gotta find a new government agency to secure my sanity.